guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. And in today's video, we're going to be celebrating Christmas. I will be participating in Vlogmas this year, and this is Vlogmas Day 1. I'm super excited to announce that. In case you don't know what Vlogmas is, it's basically where creators post 25 videos consecutively until Christmas. We are in Target, y'all, and we're gonna be looking around at what they got. So far, we're in the toy section. I want a toy.
Oh yeah, and they started playing Christmas music. Why did it take me so late to realize that?
But guys, look at the mini brands. Look at these mini brands, guys. I really want some. I really want some mini brands. I really want some. Babe, where you going? Babe,
Just walking around.
I really. Guys, mini brands for $6.49.
Yeah, some mini brands.
Should I commit? I don't know.
This is in my bank account.
Hey, babe.
Hell, I'm broke. Broke as hell.
Y'all see that price?
Black Friday deals?
You think it's for all of them? Is it for all of them?
No.
You just burp into the mic?
No.
Did y'all like that ASMR? They have Monster High dolls.
Oh shit, mom.
But I'm not gonna get those.
Killing me, yo.
Oh my gosh. Baby! Hates me, bro. Guys, Polaroid cameras! Do you see the Polaroids?
Sigh, I need one.
What is that? You need a new one?
Yeah. Mine is broken.
I'll get you one if you really wanted
See
one.
how I'm not stopping you?
For real? For real?
I'm not stopping you.
If that was the one Christmas gift I got you, would you be happy with that?
Yeah.
Excuse me? Is it possible to get this? Thank you. Are you excited?
Excited for it?
Nothing. Oh. So I ended up getting this because he literally just said he wanted it. They have Christmas candy here, y'all. I don't think I'm feeling any of these. I mean, it would be a good stocking stuffer.
I would buy this from them.
You would buy what?
Oh, I thought this was metal. Never mind.
So they do have like decor here. Oh, this would be so cute for a mini tree. Look at this, y'all. Like mini balls.
Of course she likes mini balls.
Of course. Look at all the treats they have. We are making a holiday baking video. I'm in the Christmas section. I low-key don't know if I should get anything. But it's very cutesy. Look at their festive plates.
Your butt stinks.
Yo, and look, they have cutesy ornaments. Like, these are so cutesy. All these EOS lotions.
We're in Target.
Yeah.
Let's see if they got some soft crystal toothbrush.
I'm crying, y'all. He's about to go find some toothbrushes. But I was thinking about getting somebody an EOS lotion, but like $12.19, I don't know. Or I can get the makeup. That look good. I would do a body scrub, but not for this guy. So guys, we're trying to see like what we can get from here. But so far, I'm only getting that one item I got.
Nah, I'm gonna buy it instead. That's fine.
What? Boy, no, you not.
I can buy it.
I'm gonna buy it.
It's something. I actually can buy that because of the cash.
I'm gonna get it for his Christmas gift. He hasn't asked me for nothing, like.
I don't want nothing.
Guys, I literally want to get him something he wants, and every single time I ask him, he's like, "Oh, I don't want anything." Like, what?
Don't.
He's like, "If you get me something, then okay, but like, I'm not gonna tell you if I really want anything because I don't." Like, all right. We are heading to Five Below now. Hey guys, we are at Five Below.
Oh, a selfie light.
What is it?
Mini vinyl.
Guys, it's a mini vinyl. Cute.
I would try that.
You want that?
No, not like that. Okay, damn.
We're in the section, and this is what it's looking like right now. But look at how cute these Grinch set stuff are. So let's get matching pants. What pants do you want to get?
I don't know. I don't trust this kid.
No, we're gonna get you a correct size because the other size was insane. They have these flannel comfy pants. So guys, they have these pants, which I feel like we're in a. This is more because like the quality seems kind of better. Because there's these or there's these. Which ones do you like more? We're gonna get the red, guys. Are you gonna walk?
We'll see what's better.
Guys,
looking at my socks.
it's been a long day, sir. His feet hurt. We're gonna be getting these pants. Can you reach that? These are the ones I'm gonna get. They're extra small. Yo! Look how cute, guys. Nutcracker. Aw. So sweet. Find a penny, pick it up, and put it just let it in. Have good luck. It was heads up. Okay, guys, I want to show y'all. So every year we get ornaments for our tree. And I want to show y'all what I'm picking for us. My brother is going to get this thing. It's Homer. From my mom. Cute. Doing lemon meringue. Don't play with me. Molly's getting Louie or Bingo. I think this is Bingo. Bingo. I'm mostly excited for that Hello Kitty section. What is paint your own accessory holder?
Is that a prime?
Prime slime. Prime slime. They kind of ate.
Dad jokes.
Wait. Here, put the camera on one. What kind of shoes do spies wear? Sneakers. Oh.
What's the difference between a teacher and a train?
Choo choo.
Though a teacher says spit out your gum, and the train says chew choo choo.
Get out. I want to kiss.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Well, guys, I think. Welcome to Dairy.
If you didn't watch it, watch it. W shows.
Off-brand La Boo Boo.
La Fufu.
La Boo Boo. He hit me with that cucumber. Oh, this is cute. Hello Kitty stuffed animal. You're insane. Yo.
That's my boy Megamon over here.
They have.
Did I give you that?
No, there's a new one. Mega slime!
Why'd you say it like that?
No, guys, look at this mega slime kit. Hello? Demon Slayer.
Tanjiro.
Kamado. Muzan Kabuchuzi.
Oh, Muzan.
That's what I just said. Muzan Kabuchuzi.
What did you say?
Kabuchuzi. Muzan Kabuchuzi. Head out. These are cute. Okay, guys, we're gonna make this a little bit quick because my Pookie's legs hurt, which is understandable because we did a lot of walking. Sorry. Oh, this would be so cute for like a boo basket, like a small one. Baby, gingerbread kitty. I want. Guys, my poor Pookie is hurt.
I heard like 40 different cracks.
Are you okay? Why are you hitting that Michael Jackson?
Baby.
Guys, y'all see how he's
This looks
fake?
real nice.
We could have got pajamas from over
Until
here.
I saw how much pieces is in there.
Look how many pajamas we could have picked from. We picked from the front.
Then I saw the pieces.
565 for.
Oh.
Ooh. Hello Kitty. Build your own cookie kit. Gingerbread Village. Minecraft. Build your own holiday kit. Chocolate kisses. Which one are you thinking? Okay, I definitely want to do this one. Which one do you want to do?
The chocolate one. Because every year we always get the regular one.
Alright, so guys, we're going to be getting these. Stay tuned, because in the next video, we're going to be making it. Okay guys, that is officially the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications if you want to get notifications when I post videos.